morning. So, for today is I'm gonna make a vlog about pagkuha ng certified true copy ng land title. So, last time, pumunta kami ng Registry of Deeds kasi doon po kinukuha yung certified true copy ng land title. So, I'm just gonna share this with you as if ever that you want to know something about it. So, malalaman nyo na. Okay, so ano ba yung kailangan or ano ba yung dinala namin papunta doon sa office ng Registry of Deeds dito sa province namin? So, yung dala namin is title. So, yung original copy po ng title and photocopy din meron din. So, baka sakaling maghanap doon. Pero actually, I was not the one who filed for it. Hindi ako yung nag-file. Hindi yung mother ko. So, yung mga kailangan, as long as nadala mo naman yung title, so you could use that as your reference in filling up the form. Okay? So, yun lang, kahit yun lang dala mo, basta't mayroon ka nun. So, all the information that you will be needed ay naandoon na. So, next is, ilang days pa siya bago makuha. So, sa case po namin, which is yung title, is 2 copies, 2 pages pala. Hindi namin siya nakuha that day. So, pumunta kami ng Friday ng umaga. Makukuha namin sa Monday pa ng hapon. So, hindi siya agad-agad. I don't know the reason kung bakit. Pero, yun, hindi namin nakuha that day. Third is, magkano ba yung kailangan mong pera? So, yung kailangan mong prepare. So, in our case, 2 pages nga yun. Bayad kami ng 273 pesos. So, hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. So, yun lang. So, hopefully na makatulong to sa inyo in case that you will be getting a copy or certified true copy of land title. So, bakit pala kami nagkuha? Requirement kasi siya para sa pagpa-approve ng survey, yung sinurvey namin doon. So, kailangan yon para i-approve. So, aside from the subdivision plan, extrajudicial settlement, so, mayroon ding certified true copy of land title. So, yun lang. So, thank you and be positively happy and God bless.